Hello children, welcome to mathematics class. Today we are learning chapter 3 playing with numbers. Objectives are factors, multiples, prime numbers, composite numbers, odd and even numbers. Children, in our daily life we play with numbers in various situations like calculating, counting, grouping, etc. Now, I will show you one activity. You follow that activity, children. After watching that activity, you collect the things that available at home and do the same activity, children. Children, now I am finding factors for 24. As we know that 1 is the factor of all the numbers. Here I have taken 24 groundnut seeds. Let me group first 2's. See, 2 group of each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have made the 2 group of each, so no remainder. Yes, 2 is the factor. Factor means equally we can divide. Now next I will do group of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, we can do group of 3 also. So 3 is the factor of 24. Next I will do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 4 is also factor. Now I will do 5. 5 in one group, 5 in another group, one more 5 group. Here I left 4 groundnut left over. So we can't make group of 5. So 5 is not the factor of 24. Now let me go for 6. 6 in one group. Here 6 in another group. Here also 6. Yes, 6. We can divide these groundnut seeds 6 in each group. So 6 is the factor of 24. Next I will go for 7. In each group there are 7 groundnut seeds. 4 plus 3. See, if I do 7 in each group, 3 remainder. So 7 is not the factor of 24. Now I will do 8. Here 8 in one group. Here group. Here. Yes, we got 8 in each group equally distributed. So 8 is the factor of 24. Next I will do 9. If I do 9, here this remainder. So 9 is not the factor. I will do 10. Again it is remainder. We not get multiple of that 24 in 10 tables. 11, no. 12. Yes, we can do 12 group. 4, 8, 11, 12. 12 each. Yes, 12 is the factor of 24. Here next 13, no. 14 we can't. 15 we can't. 16, no. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24. That is one group. So here we got these are the factors of 24. Here center number, see, 4 6 is 24. This is the center number, children. 4 6 is 24. 4 into 6 is equal to 24. We got this number. Now either side we can find 3 factors. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. This is the easy trick to find the number of factors for every number. Now this is an example for factors again. Count the number of stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 stars. If we group those stars 2's in one group, we get 4 groups. If we group the same stars in 4's in each group, we get 2 groups. If we group the same stars 8 in one group, we get one group. Tell me children, now what is factor? Factor of a number is the exact divisor of that number. Means factor divides the given number completely without remainder. Children, I am finding factors for 24. As 1 is the factor for all the number, I write 1. Next 2. Divide 24 by 2. 2 ones are 2, remainder 0, take 4 down, 2 twos are 4, remainder 0, yes 2 is a factor. Next take 24, divide by 3, 3 eights are 24, remainder 0. So, we can write here 3. Next divide 24 by 4, 4 6 are 24, remainder 0. Yes, now 4 is also a factor. Next is 5. 24 divided by 5, 5 4s are 20, remainder 4. As there is remainder, we can't write 5 here. Next 6, yes 6 we can see, we divided 4 6 are 24, we can write 6 here. We got the center number. Next 8, 3 8s are 24, yes we can write here 8. That is 3 8s are 24. Next is 12. We divided 2 12s are 24. After 8 we can write 12. Last is 24. See children, after finding center number 4 6 are 24, if you divide this 24 by 3, we get 8. We can write here 8. Next by 2, if we divide by 2, we get 12. That 12 we can write here. Last number is 24 ones are 24. We can divide the given number like this, 3 8s are. If we divide 24 by 3, we will get 8. If we divide 24 by 2, we will get 12. If we divide by 1, we will get 24. Like this, this is a easy way to find the factors. Next, I will take one more number, that is 36. Yes, 1 is the factor of all the number. Next, take 36, divide by 2, 2 ones are 2, remainder 1, take 6 down, 2 8s are 16, remainder 0, write 2 as a factor. Now divide by 3, 3 ones are 3, remainder 0, take 6 down, 3 twos are 6, remainder 0, yes 3 is also a factor. Take 36, divide by 4, 4 9s are 36, yes 4 is also a factor. Next, take 36, divide by 5, 5 7s are 35, remainder 1, we can't write 5 here. So, 36, 6 6 are 36, 6 6 are 36, we got center number. Now, take 36 and divide by this 4, we divided by 4 got 9, we can write here 9. Next, take 36 and divide by 3, we divided by 3, we can write here 12. Next, you divide 36 by 2, we got 18, we can write here 18. Last is 36 ones are 36. After getting center number, to get the remaining factor of right side, we can divide by the previous numbers, so that we will get the remaining factors on the right side of the center number. Count the factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Either side there are 4 factors. Now, children, find the factors of 8. Take out notebook, find the factors of 8. Have you found out the factors of 8? Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Here 8 divisible by 1, 2 and 4 completely. So, the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4. Now, find the factors of 16 children. Have you found out? Factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Next, now find the factors of 30. Factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Now, find the factors of 120. Factors of 120 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, 40, 60 and 120. See children, you can observe here factors of 120 are more. Here you may notice that center 2, 4, it is in red color. Again in the factors of 16, 4 is in red color. In the factors of 30, 5, 6 are in red color. In the factors of 120, 10 and 12 are in red color. This shows that 2 and 4, product of 2 and 4 is 8, so that shows the center. So either side there are one factor, 1 and 8. In 16, center number is 4. Here 4 into 4 is 16. So it is center number. Either side we can see two factors 1, 2, 8 and 16. In the same way in 30 also you may notice that 5 and 6. 5 into 6 is 30. Either side we may see three factors. Now come to 120. Center numbers are 10 and 12. 10 into 12 is 120. Here either side we can count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. This side also 15, 20, 40, 60 and 120. So we can decide that we have written all the factors by counting either side of the center number. We can notice here children, factors are finite. Now tell me which is the factor of all the number? Till now you have observed no? Tell me which is the factor of all the numbers? Have you got the answer? Yes, 1 is the factor of all the numbers. See here, in all the factors there is 1. First number is 1. So we can tell 1 is the factor of all the numbers. Now come to properties of factors. First one, 1 is the factor of every number, as you know. Second one, every number is the factor of itself. For example, if you take 8, 8 is the factor of itself. If you take 6, 6 is the, because 6 divides the 6, 8 divides the 8. So every number is the factor of itself. Next, every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. For example, factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Here that 6 will be divisible by 1, 2 as well as by 3. So every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number. See, factors of 8 means 1, 2, 4, 8. Here 1, 2, 4 are less than 8, not more than 8. So factor is less than or equal. Equal means 8 only. Number of factors of a given number are finite. Finite means we can count all the factors of a given number. Perfect number. What is perfect number? A number for which sum of all its factor is equal to twice the number is called perfect number. For example, factors of 28 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Now, if we add all these factors, that is 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 plus 28, we get the sum 56. That 56 is nothing but double of 28. 28 plus 28 or 28 into 2 is 56. One more example. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 6 and 12. If we add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12, we get the sum 24. 24 is nothing but double of 12, that is 12 into 2 is 24. So this type of numbers are called perfect numbers. Now move to introduction of multiples, children. Here see, you might have seen that left side 5, 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. If we keep on adding like this, it will become lengthy. It is difficult to add. So we can multiply like this: 5 into 1 5, 5 into 2 10, 5 into 3 15, 5 into 4 20, 5 into 5 25 and so on. Now, tell me children, what is multiple? Multiple is a number that can be divided by another number a certain number of times without a remainder. For example, see multiple of 6, 6 into 1 6, 6 into 2 12, 6 into 3 18, 6 into 4 24 and so on. It keep on continuing, but it is infinite, that is endless. Multiples are infinite. Here we can divide that value by 6, 6 2s are 12. Repeatedly we need to divide by the given factor. Now, properties of multiples. Number itself is the least multiple. See, we have taken 6 tables, in that it begins with 6. So, we can tell that number itself is the least multiple. Number of multiples of a given number are infinite. As I said, there is no end for multiples. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. Every multiple begins from number itself. For example, 4. So, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. It keep on increasing, but there is no less than this. It is greater or equal to that number. Children, I am giving one home assignment. Match the following. You do it in your homework book, children. Now, come to prime and composite numbers. Here, I will show you one activity. Children, now I am doing the activity for prime and composite numbers. 1 is neither prime nor composite because it has only one factor. Now, I will take 2. For 2, 1 and 2 are the factors. This is 1 and this is 2. For 3, again 1 and 3 are the factors. For 4, 1, 2 and 4 are the factors. Next, for 5, 1 is the factor, again 5, 1 and 5. Next, for 6, 1 is the factor, 2 is also factor, next 3 is also factor and 6 is also factor. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, 6. Next, for 7, 1 and 7 is the factor. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See children, we can notice here 3 again only 2 factors. For 4 more than 2 factors, 1, 2, 4. So more than 2. Again 5 only 2 factors. Again 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 factors, more than 2 factors. Again 7, 1 and 2. 1 and the number itself 7. So, which are the number having only 2 factors like 1 and 2 number itself, 1 and 3, 1 and 3 number itself, here 1 and 5 number itself and 1 and number itself 7. These are prime numbers. The numbers which have more than 2 factors like 4, 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, these are composite numbers. The numbers which have more than 2 factors are composite numbers. The numbers which have only 2 factors, that is 1 and number itself, are prime numbers. See children, this is the table showing numbers from 1 to 100. In this, first you can see that 1, that is neither prime nor composite because it has only one factor. So, it is neither prime nor composite. Here prime number means, now I am showing prime and composite numbers children. From the table I am taking 3. See, factors of 3 are 1 and 3, even 2 also. Factors of 2, 1 and 2. Now take 4. Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Here more than 2 factor, here only 2 factors. So, if the number is having only 2 factors, that is 1 and itself is called prime number. Here the 4 has more than 2 factors, so it is called composite number. I will take one more number from the table, that is, so 40, again factors of 40 are 1, 2, 3, in 3 tables you will not get 40, 4, yes, 5, 5 8s are 40, 6 tables will not get 40. So, 5 8s are 40. Now, 10 4s are 40, 10 4s are 40, next 22s are 40, 41s are 40. So, next I will take one more example 9. Factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. See children, here 9 is odd number, then also it is composite number because it has more than 2 factors. Yes, we can conclude that a number which has only 2 factor, 1 and itself are prime number. A number which has more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Children, now you might have understood that what is prime number and what is composite number. Prime number means it has only 2 factors, that is 1 and number itself. Composite number means it has more than 2 factors. So, these are called composite numbers. Example for prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, so on. Example for composite number are 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 14 and so on. Now, prime numbers, numbers other than 1 whose only factors are 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, least prime number is 2. Now, composite numbers, numbers having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Example 4, 6, 8, 9, so on. Here least composite number is 4. Now, twin prime, what is twin prime? Twin prime numbers whose difference is 2 are called twin prime numbers. For example, 3 and 5, 5 minus 3 is 2. So, these 3 and 5 are called twin prime numbers. One more example, 11 and 13. 13 minus 11 is 2, again these two are twin prime numbers. One more example, 41 and 43. If you subtract 41 from 43, we get the difference again 2. So, these two are also twin prime numbers. So on. Even numbers, you have learnt it in the previous class itself. What are even number? The numbers which can be divided exactly into 2 equal parts are called even numbers. Even numbers example are 2, 60, 72, 150, 362, 3724, 9578. Here children, we can notice that all the ones place digit are even number, that is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. All these numbers are called even numbers. Odd numbers, the numbers which cannot be divided into equal parts are called odd numbers. Example 5, 7, 19, 753, here 2,41,867. Here ones place we can notice that 5, 7, 9, 3, 7. If the number is big, by seeing the ones place digit we can tell that whether it is odd or even. Now come to exercise part children. Let us solve the problem. First question is, what is the sum of any two odd numbers and any two even numbers? Sum of any two odd numbers is even number. See for example, 5 is odd number, 3 is also odd number, 5 plus 3 is 8. One more example, 15 plus 13 is 28. B question, the sum of any two even numbers is even number. Yes, take example 2 and 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 is again even number. One more example, 12 plus 28 is 40. Again 40 is even number. So, sum of any two even number is again even number. Sum of any two odd number is again even number. Children, take down all these questions in the notebook. Now, second main in the same exercise is state whether the following statements are true or false. In that first question, the sum of 3 odd number is even. False, sum of 2 odd number is even. See for example, 7 plus 9 plus 1 is 17. Yes, it is odd number. In the question they have given even, but we are getting now odd number, so it is false. B question, the sum of two odd numbers and one even number is even. True. The sum of two odd numbers, see, take 3 and 5 plus 8. 3 and 5 are odd number, 8 is even number. Their sum is 16. Again it is even number. Yes, it is true. C question, the product of 3 odd numbers is odd. Product, it is true. Product of 3 odd numbers, see example, 3 into 7 into 9, the product is 189, it is odd number, so it is true. D question, if an even number is divided by 2, the quotient is always odd. Guess children, if the even number is divided by 2, the quotient is always odd. What answer you got? It is false. If even number is divided by 2, the quotient is even. Example, 8 divided by 2, the quotient is 4. Next, fifth question, all prime numbers are odd. False. All prime numbers not odd. 2 even prime number. Next question, prime numbers do not have any factors. False. Prime numbers, since 1 and the number itself are the factors of number, prime numbers have factors, so it is false. Next, sum of two prime numbers is always even. False. Sum of two prime numbers may also be odd number. For example, 11 plus 13 is 24. It is again even number. Next, 2 is the only even prime number. Yes, it is true. 2 is the only even prime number. All even numbers are composite numbers. False. Since 2 is a prime number, it is also even. The product of two even number is always even. True. The product of two even numbers is always even. Example, 2 into 4 is 8. Now, come to third main children. The numbers 13 and 31 are prime numbers. Both these numbers have same digits 1 and 3. Find such pairs of prime numbers up to 100. The prime numbers with same digits up to 100 are as follows, 17 and 71. Here 1 and 7 are the same digits. 37 and 73. Here 3 and 7 are same digits. 79 and 97. Again here 7 and 9 are same digits. Now come to next question children. Which of the following are prime? Guess children, 23, 51, 37, 26. Among these four numbers, which is prime? You can tell that 23 is the prime number. Now next question, write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 so that there is no prime numbers between them. Children, you only try it out. Express the following as the sum of two odd primes. See, here they have given 44. 13 plus 31 is 44. 36. 13 plus 23 is 36. Sum of two prime number. Here 13 and 23 both are prime, but sum is 36. Again 24. 11 plus 13. Next 18. 11 plus 7 is 18. Copy this to the classwork children. Thank you children. My name is Jagadamba, Assistant Teacher, RMS International School, Kanakpura Road, Bangalore.